So, hi everyone, and thank you for joining the session on building your resume, Naukri, LinkedIn, completely using AI tool. So, whatever resume you have currently, just take up that resume and put Control A, copy your resume, go to Chat GPT and type here. I am studying the course name, for example, AWS Associate with Network Rhinos. Don't put studying, just mention I finished. Update my resume to apply for cloud related jobs. Also, make sure to have a separate technical skills call option in my resume and include all the topics from the course I might have studied. Now, hit paste your resume, hit enter. This will build your resume and give it to you. Now you can either go to a website called canva.com and you can modify a resume like this. You can go to a website called canva.com. Then you can modify your resume. You can go to the search button and search for the resume option, and you can modify all your resumes and all in Canva itself. Or if you don't want to do that in Canva, you can go to a website called GenSpark. I'll show you both now. For example, I go here. You have to go to a website called canva.com. Just log in using your email only. Here, search for resume. Enter. Here you have lot of resume templates which you can use from. I can click on customize this template. Then I will copy paste the content what ChatGPT has given me, and I will take a printout of this one. Easy. What if I don't want to do this? In that case, you can go to a website called GenSpark. It's an AI tool using which you can create an ATS friendly resume. So click on go to genspark.ai, click on AI docs. Here you type create an ATS friendly resume and just copy paste the resume what ChatGPT just has given you. Paste, enter. This will create a resume on behalf of you, and that will be an ATS friendly resume. The good point is it's going to give you an HTML format also. So let's wait for 3 to 4 minutes for this resume to build automatically. Here you can see an ATS friendly resume is ready in few seconds for you. I can simply download this and use it. Easy how to build your resume completely automatic using GenSpark and ChatGPT. Now, what about building your Naukri profile? So if you have a Naukri profile and you want to update Naukri profile, now go back to ChatGPT and ask him, now give me pointers to update in my Naukri profile. This is going to give you the content which you can again copy paste in your Naukri profile also. Resume headline, just copy paste. Key skills, again, copy paste one by one. Similar way, you can ask him to give for LinkedIn also. Easy. So building your Naukri LinkedIn resume is so easy. Whatever it's giving you, you have to copy paste. In LinkedIn, you have to do additionally one main thing. You have to follow Network Rhinos official page. That's very, very important so that your profile can be seen by the HR who are following us. Now I have typed Network Rhinos here. If you a company website page, you can simply click on follow. So once you click on follow, the company who is able to, who are following us, will be able to see you also directly. So that's very, very important, guys. And once you finish your course, you have to update your certificate in LinkedIn also. That's mandatory so that everyone knows that you have finished certification. Okay? So make sure to do that. Don't forget. Now, that's all about how to create your resume, Naukri, LinkedIn using Canva, ChatGPT, and GenSpark AI. Now, if you guys have any questions, please ask me in chat.